In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Ubersuggest for keyword research. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just stepping into the world of SEO, finding the right keywords is crucial for driving the targeted traffic you desire. Ubersuggest, a tool created by Neil Patel, can serve as a reliable ally in your keyword research journey. Let's explore how you can harness the power of Ubersuggest to improve your SEO strategy. First, we'll start by navigating to the Ubersuggest website. Simply type neilpatel.com/Ubersuggest into your browser's address bar and hit enter. This will take you straight to the main page of Ubersuggest, where the magic happens. Once you're there, you'll notice an input box inviting you to enter a keyword related to your business or the topic you're interested in. This is the foundation of your research, so take a moment to think of a word or phrase that encapsulates your focus. For instance, if your niche revolves around healthy living, you might type in healthy snacks. After entering your keyword, go ahead and click the search button. Now that Ubersuggest is working its data magic, you'll be presented with a range of results detailing valuable metrics about your keyword choice. One of the key figures you'll see is the search volume, which shows you the number of people who are searching for this keyword. This can give you an idea of how popular the keyword is. Another important metric is the SEO difficulty. This tells you how challenging it would be to rank for that particular keyword on search engines. Ideally, you want to aim for keywords with a decent search volume while maintaining a low SEO difficulty. A balance here means the keyword is popular enough to generate traffic, but not too competitive, making it easier for you to climb the ranks. If you're eager to explore even more ideas, Ubersuggest offers an option to enrich your keyword list. By clicking on Keyword Ideas, you'll uncover a plethora of related and question-based keywords. This includes variations like easy, healthy snacks, broadening your scope and offering new angles to target in your content strategy. Once you've sifted through the available data and identified keywords that could work for you, it's time to consolidate your findings. Select the ones that not only align with your content, but also meet the criteria for good volume and manageable difficulty. Take note of these keywords by saving them through the tool or jotting them down for future reference. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to performing keyword research using Ubersuggest. By following these steps, you can refine your keyword strategy, optimize your content, and ultimately enhance your visibility in search engine results. Remember, the right keywords can open up new opportunities for reaching your target audience effectively.